Afternoon channel. Today our attention will be focusing on Microsoft Word, but our attention in Microsoft Word will be focusing on insert. And under insert, our attention will be here on pictures. We are going to see what is new about Word 2016 when it comes to the picture. Of course, there are much you can learn from Word 2016. And I'm sure you have been following the channel. If you have not, please just feel free to go back to our previous study on the Microsoft Word. Actually, you have the link below, so you can just click them and check them out one after the other. Or you can actually check out our website. The official website is also added down. Now, let's go into the discussion of the day. So, our attention is focusing on the insert. If you remember, in our last study, we focused attention on table. We actually discussed at detail, but this time attention focused on the pictures. Well. In most of the lower version of Microsoft Word, it wasn't this way. Like for example, it was not common for you to come here and see um, a ribbon that is titled pictures. Well, what this first one here means simply means just for you to come here and click, and as soon as you click, it takes you back to the pictures you have on your system. So you could then locate any picture of your choice, whatever you want to use, and take for example, this is what you want. You can easily insert it by just clicking on the insert and click on picture. So you can just do this with ease, no problem. That's very simple. But then we have something more interesting about 2016 Microsoft Word. So now we are coming to this one. Is called online pictures. Of course, you know that when you are going to deal with online, you should have make sure that your system is connected to internet. That means what this simply means is that as soon as you click, it will create the opportunity for you to go online in order to get the image of the picture of whatever you want. In case it shows you this, maybe your internet connection, just like mine, is a bit down. At a point in time when you send it a picture, if you come to this work offline, it's simply leading you back to the first one we have just seen. That means it's taking you back to the worst one you have on your system in case you do not want to work online. Okay, maybe you just want to get a picture from your system. At that same point, you could come here and choose your picture and insert in it accordingly. Of course, that is very simple. But however, if you want to get a picture online, you can come there and then choose this. Now we are going to refresh our system and make sure that it's connected to internet and see how the online one also work. So let's go. All right. Now our internet connection is back. Okay. Now when you are here, it's a decision to make. You could as well come here if you want to use here. So browse through here. That means what you're simply doing is this. You want to go to your OneDrive, that is cloud space, in order to get you already saved picture by you on cloud and insert. Maybe you may have picture already that you have put on your cloud space that you want to use. Or of course, if you do not know much about cloud space, I will explain that in one of my tutorials as you subscribe to the channel so that you can learn more. So that is where you can go and click on browse. From there, it will lead you to how to get your cloud space. But in this discussion, we do not want to discuss much on that. Okay, you can determine, okay, what do you want among the what you have in your cloud space. Do you want a document, or do you actually want a picture? Whatever you choose will becomes the one that it will focus on. All right, so if that have been configured, have not configured in the system, then you will have that. Okay, but however, if you don't want to do that, if you just want to obtain a picture online, this is what you do. Let's go back to that same place. Remember, they were still under insert and online pictures. All right, under online pictures. So you comes to this being image search. You come here and type what you want. Let's take for example, I actually love cats. I don't mind when you say I love cats. So now I type cat. I want to insert cat among my work that I'm doing in my Microsoft Word 2016. So I just have to type cat there and press enter and click on search as it were. Well, it's now searching out for whatever I could get, wherever I could get the cat on the system. And so there's so many beautiful ones in here. So what you just need to, any one of your choice, could just double click or you click once and click on insert. And what is going on here is that it will actually insert it on your work, as we're gonna see Sorry about that sound. Sorry about that sound. I cannot kill. Let me kill the sound. Okay, and you can see now we now have a beautiful cat image being held, baby cat being held by someone, most likely, and so on. So you can insert any image of your choice. All right. Now you can actually modify the image you got online. As soon as this is inserted, you may notice on your screen now we have different things in here. So you could come here in order to actually determine the look, how dark it should be or how bright it should be. Okay, this is called brightness and contrast. So however you want it, please just feel free to make a choice, and that is how it will look like. Okay, all right. If that is not even enough, you could actually do so many modifications. You could actually come here and actually do the same. Okay, you can notice the changes in the image. There's many more. You are at liberty to make a choice and modify them, modify your image accordingly. All right, you could choose a color and so on and so forth. Of course, many of the things you can do with ease are actually being programmed into Microsoft Word 2016. So just feel free to go through many of these, if possible, all of them, and actually learn from it one after the other. So whatever you choose to do, or whatever image you choose to insert, with this you can actually insert any image online or from your system or your cloud space. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, because of course you can actually crop. I'm sure you know what cropping is. Cropping means you want to decide on some part that you want to remove and some part you want to leave. You could take it from here. See what happened now. If I click outside, the image have been reduced, the necessary things have been cropped out, and many other things you can learn under this part of our tutorial. So feel free to leave me your comment and ask any question you want to ask at the comment sections, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. So subscribe, like the video. After all, subscription in our channel is free as anything. So see you in our next video.